Have you ever heard the terminology big data and wondered what it is? In today's video, we'll be learning what is big data, need of big data, types of big data, characteristics of big data, and applications of big data. Firstly, big data is defined as high volume, high velocity, and high variety information that requires new forms of processing for enhanced decision making, insight discovery, and process optimization. In simpler words, as the name suggests, big data is high voluminous data which is required for enhanced decision making, insight discovery, and process optimization. Need of big data. The rise in technology has led to production and storage of voluminous amounts of data. Earlier, metabytes were used, but nowadays petabytes are used for processing, analysis, discovering new facts, and generating new knowledge. So this is where big data comes into picture. This diagram shows evolution of big data. Types of big data. There are mainly three types of big data, which are structured, unstructured, and semi-structured. Structured data conform and associate with data schemas and data models. Structured data are found in tables in the form of rows and columns. Examples of semi-structured data are XML and JSON documents. Semi-structured data contain tags or other markers which separate semantic elements and enforce hierarchies of records and fields within the data. Multi-structured data refers to data consisting of multiple formats of data which are structured, semi-structured, or unstructured data. And lastly, unstructured data are found in file types such as .txt, .txt or .csv files. For example, website content data, which may be your YouTube videos, browsing data, e-payments, web store data, and user-generated maps. Big data has many characteristics. The four main characteristics are volume, velocity, variety, and veracity. Volume refers to size of the data, velocity refers to speed of generation of data, variety comprises of variety of data, veracity refers to quality of data captured. There are many applications of big data. I have listed few in my blog. Few of them are smarter healthcare, telecom, retail, traffic control, manufacturing, and search quality. There are various other applications of big data. To learn more in depth of big data, you can read my article on Medium. The link will be shared with the video. So I hope this video helped you get basic idea on big data. Stay tuned for more. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.